We're here visiting AM Hydraulics in Hockley and Birmingham to ask Stuart why they bought this massive Toshiba VTL from Leader CNC. Keep watching to find out more. Stuart, we've got the big machine behind us right now. What are you doing on it right now?
It's a large component. Can't really say a lot about it as it's got an NDA attached to it, but it's got several key features on it that require a machine of this type.
Yeah, and you can't see much of it from behind from the cameras, but behind me I can see it's a 2 metre bed on this vertical borer, and the part is almost 2 metres diameter. It's absolutely huge on the bottom. Lots of material to take off. Must be a lot of fun. What kind of applications, what industries are you targeting with this?
Defence, oil and gas, and just general machining. Whatever comes through the door, basically.
Yeah. So this machine is it's a completely new machine for you. This has got live tooling on it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So what does live tooling do for you that previous machines were not able to?
It's reduced the bottleneck on particularly the horizontal borers that we've got over there, because at one stage we were having to turn on here, reset on another machine, drill holes, mill keyways, etc., where it can all be done on here.
Which is quite a big operation when it's a massive. I mean, this part must be, I don't know, about 200 kilos, 250 kilos maybe?
In excess of that.
Someone can't just go and pick it up and stick it on the machine in 2 minutes, can they?
No, it's a long and lengthy process to set the job up in the correct orientation to what's already been machined.
I know you can't give me an accurate figure, but can you estimate how much that's reduced your cycle time, including the setup?
It's a huge reduction, just purely for the time in between machines, the setting times. Setting times is something that you can't calculate, really.
It's massive, whatever it is. Yeah. Brilliant. So what's the story? You guys had 2 previous vertical borers, which we don't see many in the industry. What happened? Why did you buy this?
It was basically a good collaboration with Webster Bennett, which is why we bought this machine. We've always had Webster Bennett manual machines and a couple of retrofits, and we just needed to get a little bit more modern, increase speed, surface finish, things like that.
Yeah, so you've gone for a CNC, whereas before they were kind of like a CNC retrofit. Yeah. Now you mentioned Webster Bennett, they make good vertical borers. You said they're at the forefront of vertical boring. But they've gone for Leader, they went straight away and said, you need to go for Leader CNC.
It was the collaboration between the 2 companies.
So they've helped you find the best vertical borer CNC on the market do you need.
And one that got the correct lead time and installation time as well. Yeah. So we didn't have too much downtime, spindle time.
Yeah, so what happened? How easy was it to install?
It went like clockwork, to be fair. The guys from Leader were here. From the moment of drilling the floor to having the spindle turning was around 2 weeks.
And this is your first experience with Leader CNC. Yeah. What have been the first impressions?
Flawless, easy to deal with. If there are any delays in process, they let you know straight away. Everything would run like clockwork.
So if you need another one of these, would you have any qualms about going Leader again?
No, as long as my gaffer will pay for it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, as long as you get the sign off.
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough. That's brilliant. Well, obviously I've heard a lot about vertical borers, especially Webster Bennett's. I've heard a lot about those. They go for 60. You've got another one still going.
Yeah, we've got a manual still over there in the corner, and that is a critical machine in this company.
Definitely. But if you need to upskill or if you need to improve your processes with vertical boring, check out Leader CNC for all your vertical boring CNC needs. Brilliant. Thank you very much, Stuart.